Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the dollar Swiss is actually one of the strongest dollar pairs to the downside. Very, very, very strong because of dollar weakness and Swiss strength. Now, I would really not be recommending anybody go long right now because this thing could just drift up a little bit and then just keep on going down. If we take it to the daily time frame, we can see we are in a very, very strong downtrend. We are sitting at the 78%, and the 78% definitely can be an area of support. Definitely could make a significant bounce on that area. But I would be very cautious assuming that, if it does go up and if it does break structure, then okay, after it breaks structure and after you get pullbacks, you could potentially try to go long. But as of right now, I would be very cautious with my shorts. It could literally just bounce up towards this high and then bam, right back down it goes. So unless you get a nice solid break of structure, I would definitely recommend looking for shorts in a downtrend at the end of any pullbacks you see. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.